Hello everyone, I am Priti Rajasalapur, 5th SEM CS student of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I am going to represent upon the topic what is AI and intelligent agents. Introduction to AI. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence processed by the processors, machines, particularly computer system. AI can encompass learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. The goal of AI is to create a system that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Three types of artificial intelligence: artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, artificial super intelligence. Machine learning. Types of AI. AI can be categorized into two main types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task such as voice recognition or playing chess. General AI, on the other hand, would have the ability to understand and reason across the wide range of tasks similar to a human. Types of intelligence, types of artificial intelligence. Type 1, narrow AI, general AI, super AI. Another types, type 2, reactive machine, theory of mind, limited memory, self-awareness. What are intelligent agents? Intelligent agents are systems that perceive their environment and takes action to achieve specific goals. They can they can be simple like a thermostat or complex like self-driving cars. Intelligent agents utilize AI techniques to make a decision based on their perception. Learning agents to simple reflex agent, model based agent, goal based agent, utility based agent. Component of intelligence agents. Intelligent agents consist of four main components: sensor, actuators, a decision making process, and a knowledge base. Sensor gather information from the environment while actuators enables the agent to act upon that information. The decision making process is where the agent interprets sensor data and decides the best course of action. Machine learning AI. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on the development of algorithms that allows computer to learn from data. Machine learning algorithm can improve their performance over time without being explicitly programming. This technology is widely used in applications such as recommendation system and image recognition. Different types of machine learning. Supervised learning, learn with labeled data. Unsupervised learning, learn with unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning, learn to reward maximization. Artificial intelligence, the theory and development of computer systems to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Machine learning gives computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Applications of AI. AI has a broad range of applications, including healthcare, finance, and autonomous vehicles. In healthcare, AI can assist in diagnosing disease and personal treatment plans. In finance, AI system analyze vast amounts of data to detect fraud and make investment recommendation. Application of AI: life science, transportation, healthcare, national security, marketing, product design, and banking. Challenges in AI development. Despite its advancement, AI faces several challenges, including ethical concern and data privacy issues. Ensuring the fairness and transparency of AI system is a significant concern among researchers and poli- policymakers. Additionally, the need for high quality data to train AI models can limit their effectiveness. Future of AI and intelligent agents. The future of AI and intelligent agents is promising with potential advancement in various fields. Emerging technologies such as quantum computing may significantly enhance AI capabilities. As AI continues to evolve, it will increasingly integrate into everyday life, transforming industries and society. Ethical consideration. The rise of AI introduced ethical dilemmas regarding accountability and decision making. There is ongoing debate about the potential biases embedded in AI algorithms and their implication. Establishing ethical guidelines for AI development and usage is crucial to address these concerns. Fairness. AI systems should treat all people fairly. Reliability. AI systems should be reliable and safe. Transparency. AI systems should be understandable. Privacy. AI systems should respect privacy. Ethical AI. Inclusivity. The benefits of AI systems should be applicable to everyone. Accountability. AI systems should be accountable. Oversight. AI systems should not undermine human autonomy and control. Environmental well-being. AI systems should be applied in an environmental friendly way. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence and intelligent agents represent a significant helps in technology that mimics human cognitive function. Understanding their capabilities, applications, and implication is essential as we move towards a more automated futures. Continuous research and ethical consideration will help shape the responsible development of AI technology. AI just finished with its period of infancy. It has ramification that it remain unknown to everyone. The efforts and research can bring the surprising innovation. There are also results which can be foreseen when the computer begins to think for itself. A computer it can be used in different way depending on the user needs. Reference.